Hey there, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn choreography from Ariana Grande's Yes and music video. We're going to learn 4 8 counts of choreography to the chorus of the song. I'm going to tag the original choreographers down below in the video description. This is just my interpretation. I just want to teach it to you. We're going to break it down nice and slow, step by step, using a lot of repetition. And dare I say, we're going to have some fun. One quick note before we get started. This video is going to be the tutorial only. So we're just going to break down the steps, which means there's not going to be any music. So don't expect any music in this video because it's not there. But I am going to dance it with music in a separate video, and it's linked down in the description below or up here in this card. So go check out that other video when you're ready to practice with music, or if you just want to see what this choreography looks like with music. All right, let's do it. Stand up, let's dance. Our first 8 count, you're gonna step back on your right foot and you're gonna sit into your right hip and lift that left heel up off the ground. We're gonna do a lot of this, like pointing, really pointing the ball of your foot or your toe into the ground here and sitting into the opposite hip. A whole bunch of that. So you're gonna step back on your right, arms are gonna come up, 1, 2, 3, 4. You have 4 counts for your arms to come up. You're gonna cross at the wrist and you can look over to the right if you want to. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Try it. 5, 6, step back on your right on 1, 2, 3, 4. On 5, 6, you're gonna take everything to the left. So your hands are gonna circle to the left. Your leg, you're kind of gonna lift your hip, your left hip, and we're gonna bring that leg around. And then we're gonna sit into your right, that's your left leg, and now your right foot's doing the little foot point thing. Again, that's on 5, 6. So you're gonna go 5, 6, arms come down, they're gonna swing back flexed 7. Yeah? So you were here 4, you're gonna go 5, 6, 7. Don't worry, it's fast. From here, this is, your arms are swinging back on 7. They're gonna come forward and cross on and, they open 8, they cross again on and pull back. Those aren't really the counts. It goes really well with the lyrics. Say that ish with your chest, yeah? Back, cross, and then back again. So they're flexed, then they come up. So that's not, don't worry about hitting every single count there. They're just gonna swing here and then come back, yes? But your body's gonna turn again to face the right wall. So this was 7. You're gonna start to step on your right foot now. 8, and then we wanna be here on and we're gonna be looking at the right wall now. Ay, ay, ay. So we're going left, right, left, turn, turn, turn. So this whole first 8 count, you're stepping back on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle. 5, 6, back. 7 and 8 and. Yes, if you were saying the words, she says, yes, and say that ish with your chest. And then we're gonna go down. Let's try that first 8 count again. Ready? Just do this with your arms. You're doing great. 5, 6, step back on your right. 1, 2, 3, then we circle on 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Again from the top. 5, 6, arms come up on 1, 2, 3, 4, circle 5, 6, 7, and 8, and. Great job. Second 8 count. From here, you're gonna start to melt into that right leg. So we're plieing or bending down. And as you do, you're gonna extend that left leg nice and straight. And you're gonna take your hands, fold them on top, but behind your back. And you're gonna press them down as you sit into that right leg and stretch your left leg. And you're gonna slowly take your head to the front. There's a lot going on. So you finished here on 8. And then you're slowly gonna melt 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Stretching into that position. Let's melt again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. We melt on 1, 2, 3, 4, from here, you're gonna stay in this position, but give your legs a break if you need it. Your arms are gonna come up. Here's what it's gonna look like. They're gonna come up, 5, 6. They're gonna cross behind your head, 7. So they're just wrapping behind your head. Then you're gonna press them up in this V with your fingers flexed towards each other on 8 and 7 and 8 and. Yeah, so they come up 5, 6, wrap, 7 and 8 and. Yeah, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. 5, 6 and a 7 and 8 and. It'll go with the music, don't worry. Just throw your arms, throw them around. But we're in this position, so you're holding that down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 and. Nice and sharp. Yeah, let's try that 8 count from the melt. So you finished here, looking towards this right corner. We can do it. 5, 6, 7, we melt on 1, 2, 3, arms up on 5, 6 and a 7 and a 8 and. Yeah, great job. Let's go back to the top. So we're gonna step, you're gonna have 4 8 counts. 4 counts, not 4 8 counts, 4 counts to bring your arms up. You got it. 5, 6, step back on your right. Go 1, 2, 3, circle left on 5, 6, back, 7 and 8 and down, 2, 3, 4, arms, 5, 6 and a 7 and a 8 and. Yeah, very nice. You're doing an awesome job. Remember, it's recorded. You can pause it, practice that if you need to. When you're ready to go on, let's do our third 8 count. So we finished here. We're still bent way down, but give your legs a break if you need to. We're gonna bring this left leg up our right leg into this passe position. So your hands, the left hand's gonna come back to your hip or your waist, and the right hand's gonna come and touch your knee. And the higher you can get this and more parallel with the floor, the better, if we can. So from here, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. So nice, slow. This time we're melting up into that position instead of going down. So you're here, 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna brush your hand back. You gotta balance. 5, 6. So you're going towards your hip and then towards your knee on 5, 6. Adding one more thing, you're gonna go 5 and then you're gonna look 6. So you just take your head back with your arm. Yes, I said that right. So we finished here. You're gonna come up on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up. 1, 2, 3, brush your hand on 5, look 6 on 7, 8. You're gonna just drop this leg down and then we're gonna sit back into it. Now we're pointing the right leg again. So we're just switching back and forth, right, left, right, left. So again, this is back 5, front 6. Drop that left leg. 7 and 8 and. Yes. Ooh. So this whole 8 count from here, we're gonna come up 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it. 5, 6, 7, 8, up. 1, 2, 3, hand on 5, 6, 7, 8, and. Yeah, great. Let's do that third 8 count one more time. So you're here, you're gonna passe, bring that left leg up. Who knew you were gonna balance today? 5, 6, 7, take it up. On a 1, 2, 3, slide your hand. 5, look, 6, 7, 8, and. Going back to the top. Stepping back on your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, you got it. 5, 6, step back on your right, arms up. 1, 2, 3, circle left. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and down. 2, 3, arms come up. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, slide your hand. 5, look, 6, 7, and 8, and. Fantastic. Last 8 count. So we finished here with that right foot pointing down. Our head popped on and. I'm gonna have to step away from my wall here. Stay in the frame, hopefully. You're gonna take your arms. Both arms are gonna go up to your left, and then they're gonna fall and flip over to the right. Hands are gonna flip to the right, and then they're gonna switch and flip to the left. So you're gonna have 1, 2, and then you're gonna hit this on 3, and then you're gonna switch it on 4. Yeah? So arms are gonna come up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you want to, you can bend into your legs here, and then you can kind of sit side to side into your hips. Let your lower body do what it wants to do. Try those 4 counts. So right foot's pointed down, arms are gonna come up to your left. 5, 6, 7, arms up for 1, 2, hit 3, hit 4. From here, you're gonna have to step on that right foot, and we're gonna, last time, place our left foot here in that point facing the corner, and your arms were here. You're just gonna take that left arm, and it's gonna come around. So now we're gonna look this way. Both arms are gonna wrap over the top of our head, and it's our left foot that's pointing down. So this was 4. You're gonna have to step on your right foot to go 5. Yeah? 4, 5, you're gonna drop your hands, look to the front on 6, you're gonna nod. 7, you're gonna take your hand. 8. So you're taking, boop, shutting the finger hands as you pull to the right. And we're still gonna sit down into that little position here, yeah? So this is gonna be 5. You're gonna look to the front, drop your hands on 6. You're gonna nod, yes, and pull that right hand across and just sit into those legs, let that arm hang down heavy, that left arm, yeah? So we were here. 1, 2, we sat. 3, 4, you're gonna step on your right foot, point your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's it. Ooh, let's try that 8 count. So we're gonna start here with that right foot. We're gonna take arms to the left, and then they fall to that right side. 5, 6, 7, arms left on 1, 2, hit 3, hit 4, switch. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, don't worry, we're gonna do it again. You got it. So we're gonna arms to the left. 5, 6, 7, arms left on 1, 2, hit 3, 4, step on it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, arms left on 1, 2, then 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Very, very nice. Let's put our last 2 8 counts together. So from here, we're gonna bring that left leg up on 1, 2, 3, 4, nice and slow, so we can see how they connect. 5, 6, 7, left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, hand 5, look, 6, step 7, 8, and 1, 2, hit 3, 4, step 5, down 6, nod 7, 8. Yeah, great job. The time has come to go all the way back to the top. We're gonna walk through it really slow for our brains and just to see how everything connects. You're doing an awesome job. Here we go. From the top, stepping back, arms are coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, step back on 1, 2, 3, circle left. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and down. 2, 3, arms come up. 5, 6, wrap. 7, and 8, and knee. 2, 3, 4, hand 5, look, 6, back, 7, and 8, and sit. 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. All right, we're gonna do it a couple more times. I'm gonna try to stop hitting the wall. We're gonna go a little faster each time. 5, 6, step back on your right, arms up. 2, 3, circle left. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, arms up. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and knee. 2, 3, hand 5, look, 6, back, 7, and 8, and sit. 2, 3, 4, step 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, great job. All right, we've made it to our last time. We're gonna go up a little bit faster. Just move, stretch your arms, have fun, embrace your inner dancer, and remember, if you're moving, you're doing it right. All right, here we go. Can't mess it up. We're gonna step back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time, 5, 6, 5, 6, step back on your right for 1, 2, 3, circle left. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, arms up. 5, 6, 7, and 8, and knee. 2, 3, hand 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, step 5, 6, 7, 8. That was it. You did it. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, if you're wondering where the music is, it's in a separate video. It's linked down in the description below, also up here in this card. So when you're ready to practice, go check out that other video. It might even be a little faster. Make your moves as sharp as possible. Once you really know the choreography, remember this is recorded. You can go back and watch it as many times as you need to if you really want to get those steps. I say whatever you were doing was perfect. If you're up and you're moving, having fun, then you're doing it right. Thank you again for joining me. Oh, if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, you can hit that subscribe button. Ding! Otherwise, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I hope we get to dance together in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.